How to make rusty nuts and bolts look like new again without much work. These are some nice metric bolts, but they've been sitting outside for a couple of years. I'm always surprised how well vinegar works. I'll pour in some of this vinegar and let them sit for a day. These have been sitting overnight, so we'll go ahead and pour it off and see how clean they are. These look like night and day clean. If they're really bad, I'll just let them soak for a week. I'll rinse them off with some water and put some baking soda in there. Just rinsing them off, you can see it's still a lot of filth on there. Just that little wash and shake, you can see a lot cleaner. The second pour off is just as dirty. Baking soda will neutralize the acid in the vinegar. I'll sprinkle some in. That way when I wash them off, the acid won't be on the metal and they won't rust as bad. The last thing you want is a bunch of surface rust to appear the next day. I'll dump these out on a towel so we can see them side by side. We can clearly see these rusty nuts and bolts look a lot better today. This extractor looks a lot better, but I think I'll throw it back in the vinegar. I reused the vinegar so I can just throw it back in. I'll add a little fresh stuff. Yesterday these bolts were so rusty I couldn't even check the size because they just had so much corrosion. Now they'll just spin on with one hand. This is a half 20. Next time I need a half 20 lug nut, I'll be ready to go.